All right, Carson, we are going to identify the different types of angles we're going to work with. Now, we put the orange pieces of paper next to our angles. Why? What does the corner of the orange paper help us see?
The right angles.
If it's a right angle or not, right? Okay, so let's look at the first angle over here. Can you name that angle for me?
Angle X, Y, Z.
Awesome, and it's really important to remember to label it. Okay, so now when we label it, when we name it, we use the letters of the angle. When we classify it, what does that mean?
You find out what the angle is.
So what kind it is, right? So if it matched up perfectly with our orange paper, it would be what kind of an angle?
Right.
A right one, but is our angle XYZ smaller or larger than a right angle?
Smaller.
It's smaller. Okay, so what would we call an angle that is less than 90 degrees?
Acute.
Acute. Sure, write it on the line. So you named it, and now you're classifying it. All right, now let's move to the next one. Can you name this angle for me?
Angle A, B, C.
Carson, if I would name this angle CBA, would I be correct?
Yeah.
Okay. If I would name this angle B, would I be correct? Yeah, so we could name it 3 different ways.
Mm-hmm.
Can we classify it 3 different ways?
No.
No, there's only one way to classify this angle. Now, our orange piece of paper is down in the corner, but normally these type of angles would have what in the corner?
A box?
Yeah, will you write it on our angle? That little box tells us that angle is how many degrees?
90.
Yeah, 90 degrees. And all 90-degree angles are what kind of angles when we classify them?
Right.
Right angles. Good. Okay. And then our last angle. Can you name that angle for us?
Angle O, S, T.
What else could we name that angle?
Angle TSO.
Or?
S.
Awesome, angle S. Okay, can you classify angle S?
Obtuse.
Obtuse. Because how did you know that?
Because it's greater than 90 degrees.
Right, and if it was 90 degrees, our angle would come across this way right here. But it's all the way down here, so we know it is greater. Okay, go ahead and name our angle. Or classify, because you already named it. Very nicely done. Thank you very much.